Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're looking at the Targus Cypress Collection backpacks. This is an EcoSmart version right here. It is made from 26 plastic bottles that are recycled. And here's some more information about that. You can pause this anytime and take a look at the cool info about how they do this. And then there's some really cool features about this backpack, so we're going to talk about all of these features. This one right here is the coolest one. It is the Targus works with Apple Find My service, so it's actually like an Apple attachment for your bag that's integrated in the bag. And then you have a trolley loop right there, and this is suitable with a 15.6-inch space, 39.6 centimeters, and it's compatible with the new 16-inch MacBook Pro. Okay, now we'll get to some other features of this EcoSmart Cypress Collection backpack. Here is the Smart Module Location Module Removal Tool if it ever needs repair, so they give you that. That's cool. And then here's some more information about how this piece works. You can pause that and read that. Of course, it will be in the description below. But now we'll get to the actual backpack. I really like the styling of this backpack, and I've used it on several trips already. Very easy to use, and there's a lot of storage space inside. So as you can see here, the zippers close very easily, and the zippers have a cover here to protect against accidental liquid dropping on there. So that's nice. And there's this nice area here where it's protecting the bag and what's inside the bag, which is most important. And then we go further inside the bag. We have a mesh pocket on top right here that goes all the way down to this part. You can put pens or other things in these compartments. We have a hook here for your keys or whatever else you need to hook onto inside of the bag. And then if we look further down, it goes about this far, which is all the way down to the base, and it is padded on the bottom. That's important, so when you set your bag down or drop it, it's not going to break what's inside. So that's very helpful. Because this is Find My enabled by Apple, you can actually track it with the Apple Watch, which I have one right there. And then going further inside, you can see it has a mesh pocket right here. And this is zippered closed if you need to. So that's easy. Okay, and then you have a tablet compartment right here. And they give you some more information about the tracker feature and how to set that up. It's a nice big space inside. And then here's where the tracking module is located. And that works with the Apple Find My service, so that's cool. You can use your iPhone, your Mac, your iPad to track that. And then we have the laptop area. So we just saw the tablet area, and I have a MacBook Air, and this happens to be the gold version. So it's super cool, right in there. Fits perfectly right there. It's protected. And then on the very back, you have these mesh shoulder straps and the back strap as well. It's completely mesh, so it provides airflow. So you're not going to get super sweaty wearing this backpack. And as I mentioned before, the trolley strap right here. So you can slip your luggage handle right through here and off you go. It's super easy to adjust these straps, and they are super strong. They are like seatbelt straps, so very nice. And like I said, I've used this on several trips already. I really like it. It comes with side pockets for your water bottles, and I've used that as well on a recent trip. And these are super easy, these zippers. And they're metal pulls. Everything is metal about it. Metal here and metal here. That's a big thing with me and backpacks. If they're not metal, I don't want it. Plastic's always going to break. And on this side, you have another pocket for another bottle of water, and as you can see, the pocket does expand. I'm really into this backpack. It's from Targus. It's now available. It is from their Cypress collection, and they've recycled 26 bottles. It's the EcoSmart edition with the Apple Find My module. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.